Hello friends, welcome to Balmitra. Today we are going to see best 10 line essay on Narendra Modi in English. This essay is very easy, attractive and simple. So let's start. Mr. Narendra Damodar Modi is the present and 15th Indian Prime Minister. He has been serving our nation since 26th May 2014. He was born on 17th September 1950 in Vadnagar, Gujarat. He grew up in a modest family and helped his father in selling tea at a railway station. Modi joined the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) at a young age, fostering his interest in public service. He entered politics through the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). He was elected as the Prime Minister of India in 2014 after leading the BJP to a major victory. His government initiated significant programs like Make in India and Swachh Bharat. Modi's leadership is known for strong governance, emphasizing economic reforms and technological advancements. Many people in India and around the world admire him. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.